In this video, I will show you how to turn off Narrator in Windows 11. To begin, locate and click on the Windows icon on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on the Windows icon, a menu will pop up. Here, look for Settings and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings window, you'll notice several options listed on the left side of the screen. Click on Accessibility. Within Accessibility settings, look for Narrator. To turn off Narrator in Windows 11, simply toggle off the switch next to Narrator. And just like that, you've successfully turned off Narrator. If you ever need to enable it again, just follow these same steps and toggle it back on. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.